Today on the Motor Boys vlog, we went to Casey's.
I got salt and vinegar on a sub.
What was he saying? What was he saying?
Who's probably laughing at Connor's decision to get salt and vinegar on a freaking sub?
I said salt and vinegar. I meant oil and vinegar and salt and pepper.
So you got salt and vinegar.
I got oil, vinegar, salt, pepper.
Hey, I think your shoes untied.
I need to too, but I don't want to stop.
Takes a bite right after he talks.
Did you get a foot long or a 6-inch? Oh, 6 inch. I mean, foot long. Whoa.
Have you tried the NOS yet?
No, I'm gonna try it with you. We're gonna make it a drink review, boy. Except I wonder if NOS is gonna be good. NOS should be our backup drink, just because of the name NOS. Nothing. There's chips and pizza for me.
6-inch Italian?
You can let go.
I know. All right, who wants to do a drink review? Just because you're not done with your food doesn't mean you have to do a drink review. Motor Boys drink review coming right at you from all the way up here. Oh frick, I thought it was somebody talking. I'm like,
me too for a second. Here's my drink review.
Oh, you gotta get in there. First of all, you gotta open it.
Connor? Missing a bolt here.
Yeah. Go get one off the other end. You got this nice plastic wrapping. Oh!
You know it's real when it does that.
Whoa! It smells really
That looks so cool. All the stuff like in your nose.
Really?
You were a villain. What in the? See it pop out?
Dude, it smells really nice. Smell that, dude. It smells really, like, fruity. What? I know! Dude, this is, like, fruity.
That's so much. It's not, it doesn't sting.
It's not Monster, but it's not. In conclusion, it's fruity as heck, and I love it. Is this gonna be our new one? This is the new Motor Boys drink.
Just when I started Monster.
Yeah. You know what we should do? We should zip tie this to the...
Yes.
Be like, nitrous oxide. Engage.
Yes.
Alright, so this is probably super unhealthy, but it's a new Motor Boys drink, I'm pretty sure. You guys should go subscribe to their channel. No, but it's really good, it's fruity. I don't know, you guys should try it if you want to. And you want to be unhealthy like us. And stop drinking Monster because it's not as good. Just kidding. It's good, but like, not as good as this, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Motor Boys out.
One of the best to ever do it.